Welcoming everyone, my name is Teacher Smith and we are back to the final day of the weekend practice challenge. For the final day, the topic is queuing problems. So let's try to understand this topic using an example question. Here the question is, at a library, Amina and Brenda are standing in a queue to borrow a book. There are 12 people in the queue. Amina is fourth from the front and Brenda is fifth from the back. How many people are there from Amina to Brenda? So here there are some people standing to buy a book. Now the number of people given to us is 12. Now what happens is Amina and Brenda are two of them. Amina is the fourth one from the front and Brenda is fifth one from the back. And we need to find out how many people are there from Amina to Brenda. So difficult. This 12 people, fourth one is Amina, fifth one is Brenda from back, and I have to calculate how many people are in between. So difficult to visualize. So let's just see what we can do in order to visualize such type of questions. So let's try to take an example. Let's say one day I was resting at home and then I got a call from one of my favorite superheroes, Spider-Man. Now Spider-Man said, "Oh, there is a free snack. I think you should grab." And Spider-Man left and now he's standing in front of the queue. So let's see what is the condition. A total of 9 people gathered for a free snack. Spider-Man is third from the front and Teacher Smith is fourth from the back. So how many people are there from Spider-Man to Teacher Smith? Now also a similar type of question, but this time with my favorite superhero. So remember this question, there is words given to us, words. So many words given to us in this problem. So this type of problems when words are given is called as word problem. And the first thing that you do when you see a word problem is highlight the key information. So first, a total of 9 people are there. I circle. Then Spider-Man is third from front and Teacher Smith is fourth from the back. So how many people? Now, in order to visualize this situation well, the best thing that we can do is actually visualize by just drawing it out. Let's see. Now there is a queue and there is free snack here. Now let's say I'm standing. I want the free snack. So in the queue, will I stand like this or will I stand like this? Of course, I will stand facing at the free snack. So this will be the front side and this will be my perfect back side. Now what happens? There are in total of 9 people gathered. So to visualize this, you can actually draw it out. But drawing 9 people can be challenging, so you can just draw some circles. That is 9 circles here. Now the question is, Spider-Man is third from the front. So from the front, which one is Spider-Man? Can you point it out on your screen? Oh, perfect. 1, 2, 3. This one is Spider-Man. Now regarding me, Teacher Smith is fourth from the back. So can you point which one is me? Not this one here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is me. Now here the question is, how many people are there from Spider-Man to Teacher Smith? So from Spider-Man to Teacher Smith, how many people are there? Oh, so simple. Just count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here the answer is just 4. So what we can understand here, this is a word problem. But if you look at the type of the word problem here, people are queuing. So this is called as a queuing problem. And in queuing problem, the best thing that we can do is just draw it out. So here, if I summarize it for you, in queuing problems, we can just draw. And remember, in word problems or queuing problems, the first thing that you do is highlight the key information. So remembering this, let's have a look at our question. At a library, Amina and Brenda are standing in a queue to borrow. Remember, we should highlight the key information. There are 12 people in the queue. Amina is 4th from the front and Brenda is 5th from the back. Now we have to calculate people from Amina to Brenda. So here there is some front, some back. Now either we consider this as the front or this as the front because we don't know where is the bookstore. So let's say this is the front, this side. So this one will be my back. Now here the number of people that is given to us is 12. So I will just draw 12 circles to visualize this 12 people. Now the question is, this Amina is 4th from the front. So can you point out which side is Amina? Front or back? Or front? It's which one? 1, 2, 3. Very good. This one is Amina. Now the question is, Brenda is 5th from my back. So let's just see, where is Brenda? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is Brenda. Now we have to find out how many people are there from Amina to Brenda. Oh, it's so simple. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here the answer is just 5. So what we can understand, when we just read the question, it becomes challenging. So the first thing that we do is highlight the key information. Then to visualize it well, the word problems you can use to draw it out. Queuing problems, if you draw, becomes very simple. So now you can try the challenge for the final day and get some exciting gifts. And to submit your answers, you can scan this QR code. Scan this QR code, submit your answer, get certificates and prizes from me. So for now, my name is Teacher Smith. This is the end for the weekend group challenge. Stay tuned in the group for upcoming challenges as well. Bye-bye.